7 incredible and natural dandelion benefits. Dandelion, or Taraxacum by its scientific name, is a plant that belongs to the Asteraceae family. And there are many incredible dandelion benefits to know. First off, dandelion is considered a weed. However, it has alternative medicine value due to its multiple nutritional properties and health benefits. It grows easily in gardens, paths and meadows, although many people grow it on purpose to use it for preparing natural remedies. Even though many people don't know about the dandelion benefits, it's actually a plant with anti-inflammatory, diuretic and antioxidant effects. Consuming it, especially in teas, prevents the development of certain illnesses and helps to optimize the function of several body systems. Since many people still don't know what it can be used for, we want to share 7 of its main uses. Don't miss out on them. Amazing and natural dandelion benefits. Dandelion benefits: fights fluid retention. Thanks to its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties, dandelion is used as a complement to stimulate the elimination of retained fluids from the body. Its natural active ingredients improve kidney function and help to remove excess fluids through adequate urine production. For this purpose, you can drink it as a tea 2 or 3 times a day. It improves liver functioning. Dandelion root is a known liver protector. This is not only because it helps to optimize liver functioning, but also because it prevents inflammatory problems and regulates the flow of bile. Its antioxidants help to remove the toxins retained in its tissues. Plus, as if this weren't enough, it also prevents disorders like fatty liver. It's ideal to consume it at least 3 times a week as an infusion. It fights lazy bowel syndrome. This plant has a mild laxative effect that helps to improve intestinal movements to achieve optimal elimination of the waste that accumulates in the bowels. It contains high quantities of dietary fiber and antioxidants. Together, they support your digestive functions to prevent slow digestion. In addition, it's even recommended in cases of indigestion and gas. This is because it helps to neutralize an acidic pH without affecting the activity of healthy bacteria. Drink a cup of the infusion 2 hours before going to bed. Dandelion fights anemia. Due to its significant iron, magnesium and calcium content, this healthy plant is also a good complement for accelerating recovery from episodes of anemia and fatigue. When absorbed by the body, it supports the formation of red and white blood cells, helping to strengthen your immune system, among other things. Prepare a liter of the infusion and drink it 3 or 4 times spread over the course of the day. Protects visual health. Thanks to its essential nutrients content, dandelion is one of the plants that can help to protect your visual health. It contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two components that minimize the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration and other ailments related to wear and tear due to age. Drink 1 cup of dandelion infusion a day, at least 3 times a week. It fights skin problems. Both consuming and externally applying dandelion are natural solutions against the main problems that affect skin health. Its antioxidant properties help to cleanse the blood, removing the toxins that affect the seriousness of acne and eczema. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory and curative effects that promote the healing of surface wounds and allergies. Drink it as an infusion 2 or 3 times a day to cure skin diseases. Externally, apply it with compresses or added to salves. It relieves inflammation. This plant contains essential fatty acids, beta-carotenes and essential minerals. When absorbed by the body, these help to re-establish the balance of inflammatory processes. The absorption of these substances promotes the relief of common ailments such as severe headaches. Plus, it also facilitates the treatment of chronic conditions like arthritis and osteoarthritis. Use it if you suffer from nerve cramps or joint pains. Drink 2 or 3 cups of the tea per day for both prevention and treatment. Optionally, prepare the infusion and apply it with warm compresses on the area in pain. Leave it to act for 10 minutes and repeat every day. Bear in mind that, despite all these dandelion benefits, this plant is contraindicated for pregnant or breastfeeding women. This is because its dyes contain high levels of alcohol, which could be harmful. Nor should it be supplied to patients with gallbladder stones or other gallbladder problems.